Namaste everybody, I'm Pallavi and I'm here today with a recipe for pearl millet quiche. Now pearl millet is nothing but Bajra. To make the crust of the quiche, these are the ingredients. I have here 1 cup of bajre ka atta. This is 1/4 of a cup of wheat flour, 1/4 of a cup of besan. I have here half a teaspoon of salt for taste, regular room temperature butter, this is unsalted butter, 3/4 of a cup, and on kneading this together with about 2 tablespoons of water, I got a pastry dough which I have already made and divided into 5 equal portions. What you want to do next is take a mold. I have a ramekin here. You can take a pastry mold of any shape or a katori if you like. Make sure to grease it, and with 1 portion create a rim that lines completely the pastry mold on the inside. Once you have created that crust, put some dry beans or some dry rice into the uncooked pastry shell and bake it for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade. Once that baking is done, the blind baking is done, you will discard those beans and you will get a ready baked crust that looks like this. Okay. Now in this ready-made crust, I'm going to add a filling. This filling is made by sauteing together onion, soaked moong dal, garlic, red capsicum, green beans, some carrot, salt, red chili powder, jeera and pepper powder. I have sauteed it with a little bit of oil and I'm going to add it to the crust now. After filling this pastry shell, I will just top it with some nice shredded cheese and bake it again until the cheese melts. Okay. My oven takes about 5 to 7 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade, and after that baking period, here is a ready quiche. This has all the goodness of the millets, the nutrition from the veggies, and of course the gooey yumminess of the cheese. I enjoy this with a cup of coffee or with a glass of juice for my breakfast. That's how my family loves it. I hope yours does too. Thank you.